The president of the Meghalaya State Bharatiya Janata Party, Earnest Mawrie, had inaugurated the party office of the 17th North Shillong Constituency on the 18th of November 2022. Also present were the Mandal President Tariang, the state executive member and also spokesperson of the party, Mariaham Kharkrang, party workers and supporters besides others. In his address to the gathering, Earnest Mawrie said that the office has been set up not only for the purpose of elections, but it is for the coming together of party workers and supporters, who he encouraged to frequently meet for the purpose of discussions and interaction with one another.
This constituency, I hope from this office, we will make sure that this is the winning seat. Last election in 2015, we missed the bus by only a margin of vote. So we hope, with the help of our state executive member and the aspirant candidate, Mariaham Kharkrang, we will work hand in hand and we will make sure that this is the seat where we will win this coming election with your support. So I request everybody to work together. Though we have aspirant candidate, one more aspirant candidate, we cannot stop anybody. Yes, but all the party organization has been completed under the leadership of the Mandal President. The Allotment committee has been completed, and the Mandal committee is a full-fledged Mandal committee approved by the state, and the rest will remain with the central leadership. And we always know the BJP, the ticket will go, the candidate will be decided by the parliamentary party from Delhi, where the Honorable Prime Minister will be the chairman of the committee, and we have so many members in the committee. We have Amit Shahji, Nitin Gadkari, we have Sonowal, 11 members, and they will allot the ticket to the right person.
Following the formal program, the state BJP president had clarified to members of the press fraternity on the procedure towards selection of party candidates for the 2023 Legislative Assembly elections in Meghalaya. While some constituencies may have just one aspirant candidate, there may be two or more in others, and therefore, the president of the state BJP informed that it will be the final decision of the central party leadership of the BJP on the allotment of ticket to a particular candidate for contesting in the elections.
You see, we have in North Shillong two aspirant candidates. One is our spokesperson and state executive member, Mariaham Kharkrang, and the other aspirant candidate we have Meghalaya. So from the party, as I have stated just now, we cannot stop anyone who have joined the party and deny them that you cannot project yourself as the candidate. That is the direction from the office, from central office. We may have multiple aspirant candidates, but I'm very confident the party will issue the ticket to the winning candidate, where we have winnability, more chance. And again, it's in line with the survey report, with the IB report. Then after that, they will take a call and they will sit in the Central Parliamentary Committee and they will decide the ticket. Because we have not yet final report. It will come. By first week of December, everything it will be clear. As we have the last date of a meeting, our coordinator, joint coordinator from Delhi, they will come in our state and we'll have a long meeting, a long discussion with all the report. Then our General Secretary organization, National General Secretary organization, BL Santushti will come and visit the state, and even the final call visit from the National President. After that, then they will decide. You see, from the day one, we have already given the statement from our central leader, from me also as the state president. he will be the aspirant candidate from Tura, and he is preparing to fight from Tura. So again, same thing. Now we cannot declare as a candidate. He will be aspirant candidate. So the party, they will do the job, and he has to be in line with the survey report. And same thing for everybody. Even for me also as the state president, same procedure will be conducted.
But you have